Thursday, and we're back again for another market review. So today it ended all right. I do feel like I over traded quite a bit and tried to catch a falling knife, especially with the price action today. I feel like the price action honestly today was clear as fuck, and I was trying to, catch a falling knife. And when I had an opportunity to go short, I was trying to over analyze and get like this perfect entry when we was honestly in perfect position. So let's just get right into review. I did finish today with slight loss too. So we had this consolidation during Asian session. So we did start 12 a.m. open, traded higher, textbook for sell profile. So we traded higher first, and we started to sell off. 3:30 market open right here, London open here, and you can see we swept London's high at 5. So what you could have done, you could have took the high from Asian from the start of the day, from 12 a.m.'s true day open to the low, and you would have got a perfect 50% entry, and then sell off. So this is let me go full screen. So a lot of shoulda, coulda, woulda, but it's all good. Every day is really just like a learning experience. So that really was a setup. That was a perfect setup, and then these shorts right here. Honestly, at this point, I wasn't really too confident with shorts because we already took out previous day's low, Monday's low, and at that point, I'm like, okay, I'm not too sure about continuing to sell short. Especially when we after we took out this low, I wasn't too sure about going short anymore. I wasn't too confident. I had one buy opportunity this area, and I end up closing early. No, not this area. Over here. This small retracement over here. So I had a buying opportunity here. I went long here at this volume imbalance. So I didn't want to see a closure. So we got, as you can see, we got this one closure. I closed right here, and the next candle immediately, went back up. So that would have covered my initial loss at that time, but took another L. I ended up getting back in this same setup on my eval account and made back what I lost. So that's like a break even account. Well, that account is at break even, but honestly, I felt like today was a really simple day, and I could honestly say it was just me overcomplicating it, especially because I was already looking for shorts coming into the day, and the opportunity is there, so it's all good. Just if I do miss opportunities, it's better to just sit on the sidelines and try to, catch these retracements back going back. Not to say that you can catch retracements, but when the market already has its predestined targets, it's better to go with the trend than try to trade against it. So even after 9:30, we had this nice drop. So 9:30 came, we took out minor buy side, and we saw it right back below 9:30's open fair value gap. So you could have used this first fair value gap that formed at 9:30 here. Either or, you would have been your trade idea would have been activated, and you can see how often we come back to these two levels, these two fair value gaps. So first one became an inversion, and then this fair value gap ended up holding, no closure below. We colored outside of it, but no closure. And then we had this nice run lower until 950. And then 950 we seen the retracement back, and of course lower prices. I did attempt to take some shorts around here, But honestly, like I said, I wasn't confident in that setup, and I was in and out. I could have made money. Honestly, I wasn't confident, so that's literally just all on me. Not too much to go over. I did take one trade on ES too. I took a trade on ES. What was the setup on ES I took? And ES is not really showing too much of willingness to go lower, honestly, either. So I took a short here, and I didn't like the. I just didn't like the way we're getting to these levels. I would have liked to see us close below this level quickly, this fair value gap here, but we didn't get that, and we ended up trading higher. So I ended up breaking even on that trade. So all in all, that's already. Let me show my trades from today. And I took 3 trades at market during pre-market. You know, this is me trying to catch a falling knife. Catch a falling knife. This play was valid. You know, I didn't see it through. I didn't hold. All on me. So all in all, it was a good day in the market. I can't even complain really. It was a good day. I feel like price action was good today. It wasn't too choppy. It wasn't choppy in my opinion. I just missed the opportunities, and when opportunities are missed, it's better to just sit out and just wait for the next one instead of trying to overdo it, catch a falling knife, or catch the bottom of the day, catch the low of the day, catch the top of the day, the high of the day. But all in all, it's been a good week. Didn't get back my profits from yesterday, and I didn't go on like a full tilt. I wonder if did I trade during Asian? No trade during Asian session. So in total, I took 5 trades, and like I said, I don't want to take that many trades. If I were to take, if all of these trades were shorts, and, you know, like scalps, that would have been cool. But that's not really my philosophy. That's not how I like to trade. I like to catch one good move and get out of there. So until next time, I'm gonna keep documenting my whole entire trading process, and y'all gonna see me how I make money in these markets. So until next time.